Hi, I'm Beth Cox from Dial Down Your Pain, and I'd like to tell you about my intro workshop. It's called Uncover Possibilities Beyond Persistent Pain, and it's for people who feel drained from the endless effort of trying to live a normal life with untreatable pain. I'll be talking about alternatives to medical interventions for pain relief, and will offer you ways to escape the relentless battle with pain and find freedom from the exhaustion of living with pain. I'd love it if you're able to join me for this 60-minute free workshop to experience effective techniques to break free from the cycle of chronic pain. In the workshop, I'll share my own story describing how I went from crippling chronic back pain to becoming an active yoga therapist, and how I reclaimed my life and could get back to enjoying the outdoors again, getting out on my bike and going for hikes. I'll also explain how pain isn't solely about physical damage. It's a much more complex interplay of factors, which is why we need to approach managing pain from several angles. There'll be opportunities to find reassurance through sharing experiences with other people who understand your struggles. And we'll try a little experiment where you can tune into the resistance you have to your pain. And when you've noticed that resistance, we'll explore ways to unravel this natural tensing response we get in our bodies. We'll also investigate how you can harness the incredible power of your mind to reduce your suffering. At the end of the workshop, my aim is for you to leave with the newfound hope and confidence, knowing that there are ways that you can take control of your pain and reclaim your life. If you're ready to transform your relationship with pain, reserve your spot by clicking below. Hope to see you soon.